How to download songs to your files on Spotify? Is it possible? Well, if, how? Well, hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can download Spotify songs to your files. Well, if you open up Spotify, in order to download songs basically first, you can head over to the particular album. There, you'll find the download icon you can see. However, if I tap on download here, it'll start downloading, but if you do have premium, then only it'll start downloading. If not, you won't be able to download it. So you'll need the premium for Spotify in order to be able to download. However, you won't be able to save it. You'll only be able to save it, download it for offline listening within the Spotify application. You won't be able to save it to files at all. So hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe, and also do not forget to leave the comments down below if you have any further issues as well.